You still tell police say I dey sleep with the pikin. Police don't tell you say that is a big accusation. Me, I know they run. I said he become winch for my own house. He become winch from our house. If I tell her stop, you go fight me. Pikin when I carry come your house, you won't kill her. You won't kill her. You still tell police say I dey sleep with the pikin. Police don't tell you say that is a big accusation. Me, I know they run. You know why? I be one fair come out to. You know, see when I turn back, I tell police say, oh, better for your mama. You see this life when I come, I dey talk I go reach next year. Be you woman, be you man, The only one way feel defeat me in this life, so I commit that crime. I no commit them, I will stand with your lawyer, I will stand with your police alone. You are a bastard daughter of nobody. Oh, good to kill your mama. Go punish you. Now money when still in my hand, now you want best with this night. I no agree. You call police for me. You say you want the police how they do waiting. You no go better for your full generation. You go suffer every week. I dey spend 60 euro for your medication. Every week. 60 euro. And they talk you go be like say that life. I bring receipts come. You go better for your mama. May your parents go spend that. May your brother go spend. May your brother go spend what you don't spend. See, this one, how much? 30 euro, 73 cents. See, 30 euro, 73 cents. This one, May I bring the second one again. See, the same thing, the same medicine, make you not be like say, I dey lie, See, I put her for back camera. It no go better for your mama Sonia. See, I put her for back camera. Fellow Nigeria, see, how much you dey see for here? 30 euro, 73 cents. How much you dey see for here again? Check the date. Now the date go tell you the truth. If na the same day, now Sonia no go better for your mama. You go die throw away. I go see whether Social go buy you medicine. You no go better for your future generation. Go pursue and my house. Now house where they give my children. Your children? Who children? Who children? Who children? Children where you no care about? Children where you no care about? No go better for your mama. I spend 60 euro every week to buy you medication. They stop me work for more than how many months? I know they work again. No go better for your full generation. Only brother, when I dey go meet, if you hook me, I go cry, go meet her. You go help me solve problem. Now you carry come on social media this night. Sonia, enough is enough. Enough is enough. You never carry your brother when Biam robber. When you use my 500,000, they go release for police station. You never carry across social media. You must carry your family across social media. No go better for your mama. Your mama the village there we see. Now me they send her money, gas accident, go farm. Now me they send her money. Now me be say she eat. You know go better for a full generation. Police collect the key. It's my house. Government give me and my children. You hear what police tell you? You hear what they tell you? Because you know why? You don't know how prepared I am in this life. You don't know. My first baby mama, she don't follow me go call Tayabi. Now she come the taste I be winch. May you run. You think it's a joke. I dey bear. But if I speak, if I spark, you go regret them. You go regret them. Any small thing, I go tell government, you dey sleep with my daughter. Check police, I still tell police the same word. Say you repeat that same word again. Police say, don't worry, we'll take Sonia out. Now, we'll see what we can do. Now, police go carry that your useless daughter. Because only to correct that picking for this house, you dey pour me spit. I said he become winch for my own house. He become winch from our house. If I tell her, stop, you go fight me. Picky when I carry your house, you won't kill her, you won't kill her. You still tell police say, I dey sleep with the picking. Police don't tell you say that is a big accusation. Me, I know they run. You know why? I be one fair come out to. You know, see when I turn back, I tell police say, I can only respect them in one condition. Because of those children, I will open door. May they take what they want to take. May they get out. Because to sleep this house, I will not agree. You no go sleep, Me, I feel lose the house tomorrow. I feel lose the next tomorrow. But this night, you no go sleep. I will let you know that even in law, I am a traditional man. I stand for my rights. You can't chase me to the streets. You're a bastard. I am a Nigerian, a black African man who knows his left and right. You African ladies in Europe, you're a bastard. You be bastard. You don't go better for your papa. Every day, next year, you go leave this house. Sonia, your suffer just began. Who dinner now, they go pour you spit. You don't go fit stay this dinner. You don't go fit. You don't go fit. You don't go fit. You don't go fit. Easy boy attitude there. Oh, see, invite Sonia to your house. Make you see that easy boy picking a sosa. You see now when I'm done with Sonia, that picking, I swear, give that picking 2 years, extra 2-3 years. You go put Sonia for trouble. You go put Sonia for problem. Police is aware of it. Everybody, even school, they send me letter every day. Are they outside? Who's they here? Sonia call me, say police bring letter for me and I'm. Now me the answer. What do you do again? Waiting they write for the letter because I'm not coming to take any letter. Anything what you do, make it enter your head. Make it enter your head. No go better for your mama. No go better for your mama. No go better for you. And they respect you, they quiet. You can't they take me for a fool? You take me for granted? Even police, they see both of my hand. They tell me, say, you smoke marijuana. And they ask, is it your business? I smoke. Go and check in the law. Go and check in the law. I'm not a criminal. He said, you want to search me because of key. You want to search me. Search me. No go better for your mama. Search me for what reason? Search me for what reason? Search me for what reason? Sonia, now Italy you come. You know why I dey happy? Now when I dey France and Germany, I go say, if you too last for government house for Italy, 1 year, you go run again. You go feel work. You go feel work. See my house. I dey still the hustle. See my house. I know if you carry friend call house there. No go better for your mama. You no go better for your mama. You carry me on social media. First person help me for dinner. Because of you, they pursue me for the house. Second person help me because of you, they pursue me. Only this my brother. Now you accept me. You want us to spoiler? You know fit. You know fit. I resemble you in Yogi. One woman they pursue for us. I resemble you located up. When I been people want to pursue for us. Waka. No go better for now. 6 feet go be on a portion. God go punish your full generation. Your mama today. Thank God I never send your mama that money. Today I don't see rich they send money to send your mama 50,000 naira. And they message you to ask you for the account. Whether I send my account when I put her, you ignore me. I will come up for them. Call house. Come say you dey prepare debt for me for my own house. When me there outside won't send your mama money. My mama how much you don't chop for me? How much you don't chop for me? No go better for the full generation. Me, I feel sleep street. If me lose my house, I feel sleep street. I feel sleep street. And you go still see say, Nigeria person for this city, no be 1, no be 2, no be 3. When don't talk and say, I wish you feel break up with me because you are wasting a good man and it don't happen. But I'm not interested in any relationship. You know why? I want to bounce back. When my first baby mama left, I have nothing. When she left, I become something. I bought my first car. Second, I drive for 4 years. Jealousy won't kill her. Now she still destroy my life. But Sonia, you see this one? I prepare. Imara comes squad. You say if you want a native doctor, ask question. I'm a forbidden fruit. Ask question. They don't feel swallow me. Ask your papa question. No go better for now. No go better for na generation. You no go better for you. You know if it better for you, eh? If it better for your generation, man, what cause her. You go dey curse my mama, they curse my family. The same my mama when you dey curse. Now my mama they beg me to forgive you for 500,000 when your family chop for no reason. My sister chop money when I put for account. I transfer the remaining one to your sister account. Make una help me save the 500,000. Your mama carry go pay your brother for criminal, for court matter. For court matter. Your brother in Nigeria they do court matter. Now my money they take the pay for prison. He come out for prison, no pay me. He they call, make me buy a machine, sewing machine. You no go better for your future generation. You no go if you better for now, man, know what you call that. Your brother went to Europe here, Yobo. Felicity, reject him. How many women reject him? Your own family, how many women reject him? If they don't hear, family when you for come out, Agbeyaga, I be what to be there your papa name. They go run. Me, you don't know where I stay. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. You can never know me. You can never understand me because you know why? You know why? You know go better for your mama. You just Boko no say, fight me for this house. For more than 1 year, Boko say Bini no dey marry Agbo. Agbo no dey marry Bini. Daybreak, you see Agbo man when marry Bini, you go say, now you see say na true. All my brothers for this city, all of them, everybody they fear me. Because of you. I know if you follow people sit down. I know if you follow people sit down, say you carry belly, now Jesus you carry. Oh, God bless you. God punish you. Police, girl, it's my house. The people when they advise you for TikTok, say yes, they will chase him out. Where them? Where them? I mean, I resemble you in Yogi. One woman they pursue for us. I resemble you located up. When I been people want to pursue for us. Waka. No go better for now. 6 feet go be on a portion. I buy first land. You fight me. Why not put your daughter name? Now you want to tell me what I want to put for property when I get? You want to share my property when I dey alive for God bless you? You dey crazy? You dey fear for picking where they don't carry a run? Son, they don't carry a run. I don't reject that one for long. If you still carry this daughter run, none of them go see my investment a dime. I feel die, leave my investment for orphanage home. Now they crazy. Now me want labor for now. Useless women for Europe. Me, I go still marry. If I see woman when go take oath, I go marry. But you know they ready to take oath to be submissive. Madam, do you akona. Me, my pritolin is too big for one woman to the use and they play. For me to the use and they satisfy one woman, you know value her. You they insult me every day. Now I go share the pritolin full everywhere. They crazy, so good they kill you. Who they kill you? No go better for now. No go better for you. That person where they pray for you for Nigeria, may you for no stay husbands, may you for no get peace. Tell that person say prayer don't work. You no go better for your mama for that happily married. You no go better for your mama. Go pay Sonia bride price. Now where she for come from? Go pay her bride price. Go. I give you. I swear with my life. If you go marry Sonia, I swear I will support you with 1 million naira. If you won't go today, tomorrow, call your family. I swear with everything I cherish, she go tell you. I promise, no go better for you. God go punish you. Every day problem. Every day problem. Today. Now today, you see as the disgrace they come for you. They come for you through your family. Now you use your hand to call your family today. Say the marriage list, say I lost her. I need them back. Your sister come they tell you what we need to do. From your sister to mama, from mama to your papa, at their side, since they think, I say now, I won't do white wedding, but now, your family for Nigeria say, I don't feel do white wedding until I marry you traditionally. Now, na double I want to do. How I want to waka. I call my family say, you know go fit carry am. I say, please, una go support me. If I send money, say muna go. Anyhow wanna be. Anyhow when it be, muna go. This woman don't born for me. You still get belle. Make her do everything. Make her give this woman respect. No, I don't know. Say person when I beg my family for is a nuisance. It's a disgrace. He did. First man go do introduction for your past, they reject you. Now maybe second man, I don't do introduction. Now marriage, they prepare now. The next one go marry you, go divorce you. The first one do introduction, he leave you. Second one do introduction, he won't marry you. Now you don't spoil your home. Third one go marry you. He go use you as a rag. He go use you as rag. No go better for your papa. Take the key from him. It's my key. It's the house that gave my children. Police let you know everything about you. You could have been rejected. Hospital reject you. I stand for you for everywhere. At this time, I am done seeing red flag in my papers because of you. As I then I no fit go hospital because you don't condemn my family lineage for hospital. Once you enter, Sonia Sabovo, my name go follow Akaibe. You go cause confusion, cause casino. They go send me later. They go say Akaibe tu parle italiano. Lei no capisci niente. You no go better for your mama. You no go better for your mama. Me, Sonia. Me. You're not serious. You're not serious for your life.